Welcome back to Fluize. Here's the plan. This is your basic module, Level 1, Lesson 3. Today, your family. You learn English by listening, like a child. No grammar, no fear. First, the keywords. Then a little story. You hear it again and again every day this week. Repeat out loud. Copy my voice. And at the end, the same story in the present and the past. So, relax, listen, repeat. Subscribe to unlock the free basic module. Ready? Let's go. Chapter 1. The key words. Listen and repeat out loud after me. First, the keywords. Before our story. Listen and feel them. Say them with me, big and happy. I have. He has. She has. For your family and your things. I have a sister. She has a dog. Mother and father. Your mom and your dad. This is my mother. This is my father. Brother and sister. I have a brother. I have a sister. Her name is Allerhernen. His for a boy. Her for a girl. His name is Leo. Her name is Lucy. This is my family. My family. My people. I love my family. Great! Now you feel the words. Let's hear them in a little story. Chapter 2. The main story. Now, just relax and listen. Don't translate, only feel it. Hi! Welcome back! Big smile. Let's go! Today, family. Your family. My family. Everybody has a family. This is Tom. Tom has a family. Tom has a mother, a father, and a sister. I have a sister, says Tom. Her name is Lucy. I have. You use it for your family, your things. I have a sister. I have a brother. I have a dog. For example, Mia has a brother. Mia says, I have a brother. His name is Leo. He is her brother. His for a boy. Her for a girl. Tom shows a photo. This is my mother. This is my father. And this is my sister, Lucy. A nice family. A happy family. Do you have a brother? Do you have a sister? Say it. I have a sister. This is my family. Listen again and again. Deep learning. Chapter 3, the most important one, the mini story. I ask, you answer out loud. Big smile. Sit up, shoulders back. Breathe. Ready? Answer out loud. Your turn. This is Tom. Tom has a sister. Her name is Lucy. Does Tom have a sister or a brother? What is her name? Is her name Lucy or Mia? A sister. Tom has a sister, and her name is Lucy. Lucy has a dog. The dog is small. His name is Max. Does Lucy have a dog? Is the dog big or small? What is his name? Yes, a small dog. His name is Max. Oh no, a problem. Today, Max is gone. Lucy can't find him. Lucy is so sad. Is there a problem? Is Max here or gone? Is Lucy happy or sad? Max is gone, and Lucy is so sad. Then Tom helps his sister. Tom looks and looks. Lucy, Max is here. Max is with Mom. Does Tom help Lucy? Where is Max? With Mom or gone? Yes, Tom helps, and Max is with Mom. Lucy smiles. A big, big smile. Thank you, Tom. Now the whole family is happy. Hooray! Is Lucy sad now? Or happy? Is the family happy? Happy. Now Lucy is happy. The family is happy. Hooray! That's the end of the mini story. Listen again and again. Deep learning, deep learning. Last chapter. The same story in the present and the past. Just feel the change. Every day, Lucy plays with her dog, Max. Tom helps his sister. The family is happy. Yesterday, Lucy looked for Max. Tom helped his sister. Max was with Mom. Lucy was happy. Hey, before you go, let's build this together. Hit subscribe and like to help us unlock the whole basic module for free. Every new subscriber gets us closer. 100, 500, 1,000. And tell me, comment your country. See you in the next lesson. Keep flowing.